Hello students, welcome to KKC Science channel, and this video is for 12 students or plus 2 second year students. Today we will study how to find out inverse of a matrix. Before going to the inverse of matrix, first thing, what is a singular matrix? Singular matrix. A square matrix is said to be singular if determinant A is 0. That means if a square matrix named A, that determinant value is 0, that means that is a singular matrix. And if determinant A not equal to 0, that means the square matrix is called non-singular. Non-singular. How can you find out the determinant value? By expanding the determinant, you can find out the determinant value. So here now, what are the steps to find out the inverse? Steps. First one, find determinant A value. If determinant A not equal to 0, that means inverse exists. Number 2, find cofactor matrix. Number 3, find adjoint matrix. And number 4, inverse of matrix is equal to 1 by A. That means determinant value. Is equal to adjoint of. Then inverse of matrix is equal to 1 by A determinant into adjoint A. So these are the 4 steps to find out the inverse. How can you find out the inverse? Now first you have to find out its determinant value. How can you find out the determinant value? By expanding determinant. In previous video I will tell you how can you expand the square matrix. So by expanding the square matrix, you can find out the determinant value. And first thing is, if the determinant value is 0, then you cannot proceed further. You cannot find the inverse. Okay, that means if determinant value is 0, then that is a non-singular matrix, and you cannot find the inverse of a non-singular matrix. Number 2, if the determinant value not equal to 0, that means the matrix is a singular matrix. Sorry, non-singular matrix. Then if the determinant value is not equal to 0, then you find suddenly you find the cofactor matrix, and then you find the adjoint matrix. After finding the adjoint matrix, then the inverse matrix formula is 1 by A what this is determinant value into adjoint A. In my previous video, I explained you how to find the cofactor matrix and how to find the adjoint matrix. So you can find out the value and put the formula here, and you can easily find out the inverse matrix. Now I will give you an example of 2 cross 2 matrix. Then you can understand this one. Here is the example. A is equal to 1 2 3 1. This is a second order matrix, 2 cross 2 matrix, and here you have to find the inverse. Now what is the value of A mod? A mod क्या? 1 2 3 1 is equal to 1 into, you have to multiply 1 into 1 minus 2 into 3. That means 1 minus 6 minus 5. This is not equal to 0. So this is a non-singular matrix. This is a non-singular matrix. So matrix is, the matrix is invertible. What is invertible? If the matrix has, if the matrix has inverse value, then that is invertible. Also you can write inverse exists. Now you find out cofactor. Cofactor of this is A11, C11. Right. You left the row and this column. This row and this column. Then this row and this column you find only 1. And its sign is plus. So this one is plus. Then cofactor of A12. A12 means 2. C12. You have to forget this row and this row. Only 3. This is 3 and the sign of 2 is minus. Then cofactor of A21, that is 3. 3 for 3, you have to forget this row and this column. Then only 2 is left. And what is this sign? This is plus, this is minus. And cofactor of A22 is C22. C22 means this one. You have to forget this row and this column. Means 1. And the sign is minus, this is plus. So you can write cofactor matrix. For this one, 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus 1. This is the cofactor matrix. What is adjoint matrix? Adjoint of A. What is adjoint of A? You have to transpose this one. This means you have to change the row into column. This row, this column you have to change in this row. 1 minus 2 minus 3 1. This is the adjoint matrix. Now inverse is 1 by A mod into adjoint A. 1 by A minus 5 into 1 minus 2 minus 3 1. And you have to divide both. 1 by minus 5. This is 2 by 5. This is 3 by 5. This is 1 by 5. This is the inverse matrix, where inverse matrix. So this is the way of second order matrix, and now I am going to elaborate you second example, that is order 3 matrix. Now this is the matrix of order 3, and now I am going to find out the inverse. First you have to find out A mod is equal to 1 2 3 2 1 1 1 1 2 is equal to 1 into, you have to delete this one. How much? 1 1 1 2. 2 का sign है minus 2. You have to forget this row. That means 2 1 1 2. Then plus 3 that is 2 1 1 1. Now multiply 1 into 2 minus 1 into 1. 2 into 2 minus 1 into 1. 2 into 1, here multiply 1 into 1. 1 2 minus 1, 4 minus 1, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, and 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1, that means 1 minus 6 plus 3. 3 plus 1 4 minus 6, that is minus 2, not equal to 0. So inverse exists. Then we proceed for cofactor matrix. First you have to write C11. That means 1 for the 1 you have to write 1. You have to forget this column and this row. Remaining you write 1 2 and sign it plus. And C12. C12 for 2. You have to forget this column and this row. The remaining 2 1 1 2. 2 1 1 2 and sign it minus. Then C13. C13 is for 3. You have to forget this column and this row. So 2 1 1 2. 2 1 1 2 and plus, sign it plus. Then C21. C21 for 2. You have to forget this row and this column. So remaining 2 3 1 2 and sign it minus, because plus minus plus. And C22. C22 for 1. You have to forget this row and this column. So 1 3 1 2. 1 3 1 2, sign it plus. C23. C23 is minus here sign. For this one you have to delete, forgot this row and this column. So 1 2 1 1. 1 2 1 1. Like that you can write also here C31. C31 for 1 and the sign it plus. And you have to forget this row and this column. 2 3 1 1. 2 3 1 1. Like that. C32. This is minus for 1. Forget this column and this row. 1 3 2 1. 1 3 2 1. C33 plus. For this 2, you have to forget this row and this column. So 1 2 2 1. 1 2 2 1. Now you have to count 1 into 2. 1 into 2 minus 1 into 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Here minus is there. 2 into 2 minus 1 into 1 minus 4 minus 1 is minus 3. Like that. 2 into 2 minus 1 into 1 4 minus 1 is 3. Like that, minus is there. 2 into 2, 4 minus 3 is minus 1. Here 1 into 2, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Like that, 1 into 1, 1 minus 2. Here is minus here. So minus minus 1 is plus 1. Like that, 2 into 1, 1 into 3, that is 2 minus 3 minus 1. And 1 into 1 minus 2 into 3, that is minus 1 minus 6, that is minus of minus 5 is plus 5. Like that, 1 into 1 minus 2 into 2, 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So, what is the cofactor matrix? और डिटरमिनेंट जो भी लिख सकते हो, this is 1 minus 3 minus plus 3, minus 1 minus 1 1, and this is minus 1 plus 5 minus 3. This is the cofactor matrix. Now adjoint is transpose. Adjoint is only transpose. This column you have to convert row. 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 3 minus 1 1 sorry minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 5 minus. This is the adjoint, and inverse is 1 by a into adjoint a. 1 by a is minus 2, and remain 1 minus 1 1 minus 3 minus 1 5 3 1 minus 3, and divide individually. You can divide or not divide. Other is 1 by minus 2, this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2, this is 3 by 2, this is 1 by 2, this is minus 5 by 2, and this is 3 by minus 2, 1 by minus 2 plus 3 by 2. This is your inverse matrix. So this is the inverse matrix. I think you can understand easily, but those students who do not see my previous video of how can you find out the cofactor matrix, adjoint matrix, expansion, and you can understand this one. So you have to see the previous episodes, then will you understand better. Thank you.